Okay, students, today we are going to start our new unit, Unit 9, and the name of our unit is The Fantastic Shoemaker. Now, this lesson is about a shoemaker, ठीक है ना, जो जूता बनाने वाला नहीं होता, ठीक है. This unit is about a shoemaker, ठीक है, who used to make a Peshawari chappal, and his Peshawari chappal were famous in all over Peshawar, ठीक है. So this unit is written by a person who used to visit his shop and he was very interested in the Peshawari chappal which he used to make it, ठीक है ना. अब ये यूनिट लिखा है एक ऐसे शख्स ने, ठीक है, जो ख़ुद उस शू मेकर के पास जाता था, ठीक है, टाइम गुजारता था और उसके काम को देखता था और उससे क्वेश्चंस करता था, ठीक है. नाउ द ऑथर सेज दैट व्हेन ही फर्स्ट विजिटेड दैट शू मेकर ही वॉज वेरी यंग, ठीक है ना, वो ऑथर बहुत छोटा था. एंड हिज फादर टुक हिम टू द शू मेकर शॉप, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ दैट शू मेकर? द नेम ऑफ दैट शू मेकर वाज ज़रीन गुल, ठीक है. नाउ वेयर वाज हिज शॉप? हिज शॉप वाज सिचुएटेड इन किसाखानी बाज़ार. हिज शॉप वाज वेरी स्मॉल एंड अ बिग साइज्ड ब्लैक पिशावरी चप्पल ओवरहंग द वुडन डोर. अब ये लोग क्या, अब वो राइटर क्या बता रहा है? वो राइटर ये बता रहा है कि जो उसकी शॉप थी वो छोटी थी, ठीक है, और दूर से ही उस शॉप का पता चल जाता था कि ये ज़रीन खान की पिशावरी चप्पलों की शॉप है. हाउ? बिकॉज हिज पिशावरी चप्पल वर हैंगिंग आउटसाइड हिज शॉप. नाउ इनसाइड द शॉप देयर वॉज अ वुडन मॉलेट, a wall and an elm wheel. Now these are all the instruments which were used to make a Peshawari chappal, ठीक है. Now this fantastic shoemaker was Zareen Gul and his shoes were of high quality, ठीक है. Why his shoes were of high quality? Because he used to make these shoes by his own hands. As he made these shoes by his own hands, so his hard work can be seen in those shoes. Those shoes were long lasting as compared to the other shoes which were made in the companies. Now, what was the best thing in his shoes? There was something special in his shoes that was beyond the temporary. We can say that the durability was stitched into them. His shoes were durable and they were very long lasting too. No one ever complained about his shoes that they were torn or there was any kind of defect. They were defectless. Once, when the writer bought a pair of shoes from him, so they creaked. But when he used to go to his shop and ask him about the creaking of the shoe, he accepted and he not only returned him the shoes but he also returned him the money. So he was impressed by the generosity of that shoemaker, okay. Then after some times the writer went to abroad and for several years he didn't meet him. But when he returned to Peshawar, he straight away went to his shop, and when he went to his shop he introduced himself to Zareen Gul. When Zareen Gul recognized him, he smiled. Now he was a man of 65 years old. चूँकि बहुत सारे साल गुजर चुके थे and now he was 65 years old, but still he was strong. He looked at my branded shoes and said, "Those are not my shoes." This sentence froze my blood, ठीक है. जिस वक्त वो उसकी शॉप में जाता है तो शू मेकर की नज़र उस राइटर के शूज़ पर पड़ती है और वो फ़ौरन उसे कहते हैं कि दीज वर नॉट माई शूज़। सो राइटर को थोड़ी सी शर्मिंदगी होती है, ठीक है, लेकिन वो आगे से कुछ नहीं बोलता। देन ही स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग अबाउट द बिग शू मेकिंग कंपनीज, ठीक है ना। वाई ही वॉज टॉकिंग अगेंस्ट दैम, ठीक, क्यों? बिकॉज now why he was speaking against those shoe companies, because due to those shoe companies he was not getting enough work, ठीक है। people were going towards brand and they were refusing to buy uh, ordinary Peshawari chappals, although they were more long lasting than those shoes which were made by the big companies. So the writer asked him that why he was so furious with the shoemaking firm. So he said that इन फर्म्स ने ना सिर्फ हमसे हमारा बिजनेस छीना है, बट अब उनके पास करने के लिए कोई काम नहीं है। सो दीज वर्ड शूक द हार्ट ऑफ द राइटर, ठीक है ना। वो बहुत खफा होता है राइटर, एंड ही ordered many pair of shoes from him, ठीक है। now what does he do? He ordered many shoes from him. Now a week later when he went to Zareen Gul's shop, he do not find him over there. Why he did not find him over there? He finds someone else on his place. There was a young man in his shop and he told me about his sad incident. And what was the sad incident? That Zareen Gul died few days back, ठीक है, कि उसकी कि वो उसकी डेथ हो चुकी है, ठीक है। चूँकि उसके पास इनकम का कोई सोर्स नहीं बचा था, लोग जूते बनाने के लिए बड़ी कंपनियों का रुख करते थे, ज़्यादातर लोग ब्रांड्स को अहमियत देते थे, ठीक है ना। सो दैट पुअर पर्सन स्टार्व्ड हिमसेल्फ, ठीक है। उसने किसी से कभी भीख नहीं मांगी, पैसा नहीं मांगा, जब उसके पास काम आता था वो मेहनत से कमा कर खाता था। बट व्हेन ही डिड नॉट गेट एनी मनी he stayed quiet rather than asking money from anyone else. So when he became ill, he did not have enough money to go to the doctor, and his heart was burdenized due to not having the work, and इसी बोझल दिल के साथ वो इस दुनिया से चला गया, ठीक है। When the writer listened about this tragedy, he became very sad, and the only words of his that do the big shoe companies have no self-respect was just wandering in his mind, ठीक है ना। तो वो यही सोच रहा था ज़रीन गुल के इन अल्फाज को कि हम जो इतने मेहनत से काम करते हैं, अपने हाथ से चीज़ बनाते हैं, उसके आगे ये बड़ी शू मेकिंग कंपनीज़ मशीनों पे चीज़ें बनाकर बेचती हैं। क्या इनके पास कोई सेल्फ़ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है? क्या इनको ये अंदाज़ा नहीं है कि ये किसी की रोज़ी रोटी पर लात मार रहे हैं? सो दिस वॉज ऑल द थिंग विच वॉज गोइंग in the mind of the writer. So this was all about the fantastic shoemaker. If you have any type of questions, you can ask.